The natural stain remover from Puracy has a cult following, and we found out why. The formula is powered by a plant-based enzyme that treats a variety of tough stains on clothing, linens, or carpet. It even works on older set-in stains, like years old. It's as effective as a traditional stain remover, but made with ingredients that are safer for your skin and more environmentally friendly. I use it as a pre-treatment on grease and blood stains, and am still impressed with how clean my shirt and jeans looked out of the wash. The remover was developed by PhDs to harness the natural stain-releasing powers of 6 different plant enzymes, and tested by doctors to ensure its safety. Each enzyme is suited to break down a different type of stain, like mayonnaise and lipase that works on oil. From the remover to the bottles, Puracy is making it all in the USA, and they are proudly transparent about what's in and not in their formula. It's non-toxic, hypoallergenic, bleach-free, and biodegradable, with no fillers or additives. We searched to find a stain remover that was effective and natural, and Puracy exceeded our expectations.